A very good morning to you, class 3 students. I hope you all are well and safe at your home. Children, I welcome you again to the audiovisual class of social studies. In our previous sessions, children, we have started chapter number 9, our national symbols. And in this chapter, we did some topics. Today, children, also, we will continue with the same chapter. So, let's start. Yes, children, in this chapter, we read about the national flag. That this is our national flag. As you can see that this is our national flag. And or the tricolor. It is in tricolor or rectangular in shape. It has three equal bands of different colors. Saffron at the top and which represents courage and strength. White in the middle which represents truth and peace. And at the bottom there is a green band which represents prosperity. Okay, children. Now in the center there is a navy blue wheel. It has 24 spokes and this is called Ashoka Chakra. Yes, children, what is this? This is Ashoka Chakra and the wheels stand for motion and progress. And the spokes, 24 spokes stands for 24 hours in a day. Okay, children? And next topic, we read about the national emblem. As you can see that this is our national emblem. The national emblem is the seal of the government of India, and you can see on all the government papers, currency notes, coins and official letters. Our national emblem has 4 lions. At the same time, 3 are, we can see 3, but one is not visible to us. As you can see, however, only 3 can be seen at a time, and the base of the emblem has a horse, a bull, an elephant and a lion, each separated by a V. And this is called the lion capital of Ashoka. And children, as you can see that there are some words written here. The words Satyamev Jayate, it means truth alone wins, are written below the V. And the emblem has been taken from the Ashokan pillar which is at Sarnath. From where it has been taken? Yes, children, it has been taken from the Ashokan pillar which is at Sarnath in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, children. Now next, our national symbol. We read about the national anthem. Most countries have a national anthem. For example, our country, India. India has own national anthem which is Jan Gan Man. Jan Gan Man is our national anthem and it is sung on important occasions. Our national anthem Jan Gan Man was written by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, children, it is written by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. And it is a song in praise of our motherland. Yes, children, it is a song in which praise our motherland and it is written by a Bengali poet and his name is Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, children, these all are our national symbols. National flag, national emblem, national anthem. These all are our national symbol which represents the culture, values and the roots of the people of that particular country. Now children, our next national symbol is national animal. Yes, children, the Royal Bengal tiger is our national animal. Why it is our national animal? Because it represents grace, strength and the power of the people of our country. To protect tigers, a special project called Project Tiger was started by the government. Today, tigers are protected in national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Now children, our next national symbol is national bird. As we all know that the peacock, a beautiful bird. Peacock is our national bird. As you can see that in this picture also, that is a beautiful bird. Peacock is our national bird. And it is a beautiful bird with a long blue neck and a tail of colorful feathers. As you can see that its neck is very beautiful and long blue. Right? As you can see in the picture also, beautiful long neck and a tail of colorful feathers. The peacock is found in almost all the parts of India. Yes, children, you can see in all the parts of India peacock, and it is a symbol of beauty and grace. Why it is a symbol of beauty and grace? Because it is a very beautiful bird. That is why it represents beauty and grace. Now children, our next national symbol is national flag. The lotus is our national flag. As you can see that children, this is a lotus flower and it is our national flag. It grows in muddy ponds and lakes. The flower represents truth, knowledge and wealth. Yes children, it represents truth, knowledge and the wealth of the people of the country. Our national symbol represents the culture and values of our country. Yes children, as I explained you, all our national symbols, for example, our national flag, national anthem, our national emblem, our national animal, national flower and national bird. These all are our national symbols and all of these represents culture and values of our country. They show that we are one. Yes children, all these national symbols represent we are one. We are not different from other. We all are one. Now children, some important words to know. Now children, there are some important words from the same chapter. Let us discuss. First is emblem, an object or a special design that stands for an organization or a country. Yes children, and it is used in all the government papers. For example, our national emblem, and it is an object or a special design that stands for an organization or a country. Now next is anthem, a patriotic song which people sing or play on special occasions. Yes children, this song praise the motherland country. So that is why it is a patriotic song which people sing or play on special occasions to praise our motherland. Next is National Park or Wildlife Sanctuary, a place where animals are protected. For example, tigers. Nowadays, tigers are protected in national parks or wildlife sanctuaries. Now, some important lines. The national flag, tricolor. It is in tricolor. National emblem, lion capital. National anthem, our national anthem is Jan Gan Man. National animal, Royal Bengal tiger. National bird, peacock. And the national flower is lotus, are the symbols of our country, as we read in the chapter also. Next is we must respect our national symbols. Yes children, being the citizen of the particular country, we should respect our national symbols. Next is tick the correct answers. First is the colors in our national flag are saffron, white and green. Yes, it is true. Tick. Number 2, Satyamev Jayate is written on the national flag. No, it is wrong. It is written below the national emblem, not in the national flag. Number 3, the national emblem is found on currency notes. Yes, it is true. So we have to tick it. Number 4, Jan Gan Man is our national anthem. This is correct. Tick. Fifth is the lotus represents beauty and grace. No, it is cross. Now children, our next answer is answer in one. We have to answer in one or two words. First is, what does saffron stand for? Yes children, there is a saffron band at the top of the national flag and it represents courage and strength of the people of the country. Number 2, how many animals are there on the base of our national emblem? Yes children, there are 4 animals. Number 3, who wrote our national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore wrote our national anthem. Number 4, what is the peacock a symbol of? Yes children, peacock is the symbol of beauty and grace because it is a very beautiful bird. Number 5, what is the national flower of our country? The answer is lotus. Lotus is the national flower of our country. Now children, this is a picture study. As you can see that this is a picture of a national emblem and you have to describe it. This is your homework. Okay children, so let us recall once again what we have done in this chapter children. In this chapter children, we read about all our national symbols. And now what are national symbols? As I explained you, every country has some national symbols and it tells us about the identity, values and culture of that particular country. And our national symbols are national flag, national emblem, national anthem which is Jan Gan Man. National animal, that Royal Bengal tiger is our national animal. Next, we read about our national bird, which is peacock. And we also read about our national flag, that is lotus. Okay, children? So, children, you have to read this chapter very carefully and try to get the knowledge from the chapter. Thank you so much for today. Have a nice day.